Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to unfriend a friend in Free Fire. To unfriend someone in Garena Free Fire, first of all, launch open Garena Free Fire game on your mobile device and then from the home page, tap on the two human icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Now this will open up your Friends tab. From your Friends tab, go ahead and find the friend you want to remove or unfriend. Now go ahead and tap on your friend's name from the list. You will then be able to see several options appearing at the bottom. To delete the friend from your friend list, tap on Delete Friend. Confirm the deletion by tapping OK, and the person that you've chosen will be removed from your friend list, and you have successfully unfriended the player. So that is how you delete a friend or unfriend them in Garena Free Fire. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share and subscribe to the channel for more Garena Free Fire tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.